Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. So I will put this one go to the left and this one go to the right. Next, we need to simplify this one. So we have y over 1 plus y squared minus 1 over the square root of 1 plus y squared. Now, I will put the integration for the both sides. Now I will concentrate about this one only. So we need to use about integration by trigonometric substitution. So I will put about s equals to tan t, because if I put this one gone here, we have tan t squared, number 1 plus tan t squared. We change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify the power in here. Next, we got about the s equals to secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one gone here. The s we change by this one. This one we have secant of t squared. So we have secant of t to the power of 3. Later that we simplify secant of t squared on numerator and denominator. So this one you got about cosine t dt. The integration of this one, we have sine t plus c. About t, that is about this one. So we have we have t equal to arctan of s. So I will put this one to change for t. And we got the final answer. Now we go to the second one. So for the first one, we have the integration of this one. I will put in here. Next, we can use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 1 plus y squared. Later that, we need to do first the derivative for the both sides. And we have 2y dy. Next, we need to divide both sides by number 2. So this one we change by u. Y dy we change by this one. The integration of du over u, we have ln of the absolute value of u, and I will put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the answer. Now let's go to the last one. So I will use about integration by substitution. Trigonometric substitution. So I will put about y equals to tan t. So if I put this one gone here, we have tan t squared 1 plus tan t squared. We change secant of t squared, and later that we simplify the square root and dy. So we have dy equal to secant of t squared dt. So I will put this one gone here. This one we change by this one. So this one you got about secant of t squared. The square root of this one we have secant of t. Now we simplify secant of t. The integration of this one we have ln of the absolute value of secant of t plus tan t, and I will put about c. About t we have this one, so we got about t equal to arctan of y. So I will put this one to change for t. Tan with arctan we have y. And now we can combine the answer in here. This one that is about this one. This one that is about this one. And this one that is about this one. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching. Here is about the full answer of the question in here.